Now on Bounce, it's that time of year again, and everyone is thinking about their taxes. Not the happiest time of the year, right? Financial professional Charlie Bowers, an investment advisor with Durso Capital Management, is here with some advice on what you can do to start preparing. It's great to have you here. We appreciate you coming out, taking time
for having me here.
For many of us, tax time seems very daunting. I know it's also some things people can do and start doing to get ready so they aren't pushing the deadline there.
Whether you do the taxes yourself or use a tax preparer, you got to go ahead and get organized now. Get your W-2s, your expenses, your deductions, your account statements together, and then have that ready. But if you use a tax preparer, you need to get in there as soon as you can, because a lot of us tend to procrastinate.
Yes.
I was in my tax preparer's office last year in April. She said, "Charlie, so many people in the last couple of weeks bring me their taxes, called me on the phone, need to get them done, got to have them done." And I said, "You just need to tell them this quote I heard a long time ago. Procrastination on your part does not constitute an emergency on mine."
Yes.
And I walked into her office 2 weeks ago, and a great big poster at the front of her office had that quote on it.
Yeah, that's a great quote. I have heard that before, and that is very true. Now, with the new tax law passed, you say there are some things people should know. The first one is about tax bracket rates.
The tax bracket rates have changed, and the standard deduction has doubled. But along with that, personal exemptions have gone away. So what does that mean to you and your family? Well, it depends.
Right.
It depends on personal exemption, depends on your situation. It may depend on how many kids you have, because they count as the personal exemptions. And I guess they're trying to offset that to some degree by increasing the child tax credit from $1,000 to $2,000.
Are there ways to manipulate that, and whether it's to take more deductions or less deductions?
You're going to have to talk to your tax preparer on that one.
Okay. All right.
One thing you might want to do, though, is do you still want to contribute to your 2017 IRA? Have you not maxed it out yet? Kind of defer taxes there. But while you're having that conversation, talk to your tax professional about 2018. Are there things you should be doing today that's going to help you take care of your 2018 tax situation?
Okay.
Like updating your withdrawals at work.
Right, all right.
Withholdings, yep.
And you said it does make sense to contribute to your IRA for 2017, to defer taxes on that money. That's
most people do that. Most tax professionals tell you that's the thing to do.
Okay, keep that in mind. Are there any other changes or new deductions that may impact families in the United States?
Well, I don't know about so much deductions. The way they're really promoting the tax law is we're going to double your standard deduction. So itemized deductions, maybe more people are going to do the standard deduction. And if that's the case, they've kind of gotten rid of some of the deductions that you used to could use, like moving expenses, alimony payments, tax preparation, home equity loan interest.
Those are all wiped out now? You can't use those.
You don't have those anymore coming up. But one thing that is good, 529 plans typically used for paying higher education expenses. Well, now up to $10,000 a year can be used for primary and secondary education expenses. So a family that sends their kids to private school, that might really be a great benefit for them.
Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Well, any other tips you think of right now? Or?
Stay on top of it. The IRS, I don't think they've fully decided what all of these new tax laws mean. What is there going to be interpretation?
The one thing that's for sure is you need to pay your taxes.
Well, you don't want to go Willie Nelson on me and not pay taxes.
There you
that's
go.
Right.
All right. You can find Durso Capital Management located at 13777 Ballantyne Corporate Place. That's number 225 in Charlotte. The number to call is 855-753-8776. And the website is dursocapital.com. You can also follow the firm on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube, all the social media outlets there. For more information, you can log on to WBTV.com and look in the web extra section right there on the homepage. Charlie, thank you once again for hopping by.
Thanks so much.
Good luck with the tax season.
Thank you.